Oh, you think? Where'd you get that crazy idea? Did you just sit there and watch me die and not help at all?
I couldn't, there's flames.
You can walk through them, Kevin. Then it would have been a 2v1. Gosh. Sometimes you gotta sacrifice health. You moan me way.
It's different for Shinobi because like
Most of your health is gone.
Yeah, like I just ran through the flames and instantly.
Rolling fire. Oh darn, I forgot you can't heal. No Aramusha.
What?
Alright, you can handle this because I'm really low.
Help.
I'm coming, but I'm gonna have to get health first. Damn it, you stole my health, you Dominion soldier. Oh my god, it just obliterated like a battalion of them.
No, it's triple team.
Alright, Max, it's you and me versus 3 of them.
I need more health.
Are you ready, Max?
No, I need health. Shinobi's got a pretty big health bar, you know? Come here, Aramusha.
I got...
Okay, I got the Aramusha.
I got,
I'll get the Shigoki.
dead.
I'm gonna die because I have a health disadvantage.
Max,
Okay, I
get
killed the
died,
Shigoki.
you're dead.
What? Wait, what killed me? Oh, the Shinobi killed me. I thought that was you, but no.
Oh no, it went like a revive one.
I thought you had killed me and I was like, wait, Max. Why?
Get him, Kevin.
I'm on fire.
You lost Zone C.
Oh my gosh, you're in a Orochi. You better not lose this fight to a Shinobi.
Life is hard, you know.
No, it's not. Not as a Orochi.
I don't like this Valkyrie.
Zone A.
Oh god.
Max, watch out for Valkyrie when we come to Lucas.
Did you just say Max? I think he's scared to come up here because he knows what happened last time.
Alright, Lucas, I'm going to you.
Is everyone at sea?
Well, I'm gonna back up Lucas because there's 2 people there.
Yeah, I could use the support.
I'm already in the flames.
Alright, I'm gonna go to A.
Oh no 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 no! Fucking guard breaking dickhead.
Away. Ow. Quadruple.
That guy has pushed me off a cliff 2 times in a row. What a dick.
Well, you're Shigoki. That shouldn't be happening.
Well, when it's like an external guard break, it's more difficult to see it.
I know.
No!
Figure it out.
No, I refuse. I will just die and let you kill him. And then I'll steal the kill credit anyways.
Oh, I found your friend the Shigoki.
Ah!
Help.
I did my best.
You lost Zone A. You captured Zone C.
Get in the fire, bitch. That's what I thought, pussy. Yeet! Oh,
Nice.
Max,
Get that res.
oh wait, did you see that, Kevin?
Yeah, I saw that.
Hello, madam.
Would you like some ooga booga?
I like to ooga, 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 booga.
You captured Zone
Yeah, that's
A.
what I thought.
No!
Damn it.
I had that revive.
This is the second revive he's needed in a row.
Go, 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 go. Max, run.
Is this all 4 of us versus 2 of them? Where are the others? Got him! Alright, I'll capture C and I'll be back in a second.
I'm out of stamina fighting the Shigoki.
God, this Valkyrie.
Enemy team is breaking. Enemy team is breaking.
Oh well. We didn't do anything with it.
Help.
I'm a bit busy.
Get ready for this cheeky revive. Oh. Is the Shinobi dead? Nope.
Not
He's
yet.
not. I died. He's no health though. Nice.
And now he's dead too.
This Shigoki's bad. Revive me while he's out of stamina. Now get ready to parry.
Oh! Good fight, good fight. That was pretty good.
Victory.
I totally thought we were gonna lose because of the beginning of that match.
Like how I had the most takedowns. How did you get 6 objectives, Lucas?
Hey, wait, what?
How did you get objectives?
I was an objective boy. I went straight to the objectives whenever they were incontested.
Oh, almost reputation 4. I'm almost reputation 2.
Rip. Gotta get those rips. Alright, Max, are you ready to Highlander?
Yes.
Citadel Gate! Alright, we got 3 for Citadel Gate.
I voted for Citadel Gate too.
Yes, 4 for Citadel Gate! And we have oh wait. There was 7, so I was gonna say we have majority, but then someone else joined.
Can't wait until I get cool looking
Well,
stuff.
Citadel Gate is. Whoa, guys, look what map it is.
I'm not gonna get anything cool until like rep 3 or 2. So I'm not even gonna bother to like
4.
try and customize.
4 is when you get the legendary stuff.
Okay.
Okay.
Still don't get anything cool.
Armusha's got a beard.
Yeah.
I can't see it because my stick is in the way.
Unlimited stick.
Why does your stick have to be so big?
Damn it, I know, I get this a lot.
It's old enough.
What? Kevin, could you clarify what that was supposed to mean?
Kevin, we were making jokes and you said it's old.
Yeah, what Kevin?
It could just be me being naive, but I don't think so.
No. If she breathes, she's a thought. Oh wait, I exhaled, damn it.
Come on, Lucas.
Guys, everyone on our team is rough.
Oh no!
Look at this level 20 Kensei.
Oh no!
That was the Aramusha before.
Yeah. Yuck.
Wait,
Nope.
no!
No!
I feel like we're at a
Wait,
disadvantage now. I mean, not like we weren't at a disadvantage before.
Alright, Lucas, we gotta stick together.
Alright, Max,
Guys.
we say this a lot, but we actually need to do, like, make a serious effort to do it.
Guys, I think we might lose.
We got this in the bag.
We got
Kevin,
this, don't worry.
Kevin, go to the closest one. to
Also,
us.
Kevin, you
What?
forgot to play Samurai again.
Well, the Warden isn't playing Warden.
What?
Bingo.
I told you, you need to play Samurai because that's part of the event. That's
Well,
fine.
I am a samurai.
No, you're a Viking.
Alright, Lucas, we're going straight to the
Hey,
far
are you
point.
See?
And if they
are
try
you
to
assuming
face us
my,
in a boat, then you only
faction?
charge them.
Oni charge!
Lucas just questioned my faction.
Kevin, stop going so fast. You don't go in front of Lucas.
Yes, I do.
No, you're gonna get me.
You're gonna get bulldozed.
Those one dude just having like a standoff. Oh.
Got him.
Hey, Boyle, get back here. What you doing?
You captured Zone C.
Got him.
You lost.
You were taking serious damage, so I was like, I'll protect him.
Guys, do you realize how much fire there is?
Wow. There's fire? Didn't realize.
Oh no, why did I jump?
Come here, you bitch!
Shinobi, stop!
Kevin, can you help me? I hate shinobis.
Gone.
Ka-chong!
I got you, Kevin.
Oh my god.
Be gone! Oh! Should I just respawn or should I wait?
You should respawn.
Alright.
Oh,
Bit busy.
Where at? A?
where you died, Kevin?
Oh. That's not it.
I knew I was gonna die.
Lucas, I'll come and help you. Never mind.
Shigoki!
That's not me. That's the bot. Now I'm here. I didn't know. Wait, is that a bot or is that some? Yeah, that's just another person playing Shugoki.
Oh, I thought that was you.
No, I had died.
You lost Zone C.
Oh, there's green arrow.
Alright, Max, I'm directly behind you.
I wanna see. And it's Kensei there. We gotta enter the zone at the same time.
You ready?
You ready? Yep.
Oni charge!
Okay, I
Almost
got
in
double
range.
teams. Because this stupid Valkyrie
Got him.
doesn't have any respect.
The double unblockable. That was
That was-
legendarily timed.
You
Yes.
Zone
Oh, there's another guy here.
He thinks he's gonna win. That's funny. Oh no, sorry. I was behind you.
Oh, I still hit him.
He was gonna try and go for the cheeky revive.
No, he's not.
He was, but then his friend just revived himself.
Kevin, you only get me with that. Guard break him.
There's another person!
Boy, get out of here. What you doing?
We just abused him. Good fight, dude. Good fight.
We haven't captured the zone yet. Oh wait, yeah we have.
Yeah, we have.
Lucas, stay.
Why do I say?
Because they're gonna be coming again.
Okay.
I had no walls. I had no walls.
He's seen me.
Here comes the Shikoki. Here comes the Shikoki.
captured Zone A.
Oh, he went around. He went around the cheeky way.
Oh, I took a bunch of damage. I got the Shikoki.
You lost Zone A.
Guys, Valkyrie's here.
I'll kill her.
Did I hit that revive?
Yeah, and after I kill her, Kevin.
Oh, that's Lucas, which like, oh no!
Alright. It's really difficult to fight people who are fast as me.
Should I? No. Okay. I need help.
I live, but I need health. Okay, the Shigoki's here already. And he's going for the cheeky revive.
Boy, get out of here.
Oh my god. Good fight, my dude.
Oh god.
Very good, very good. Alright, I badly need health.
Okay, okay. Me and Kevin will stay then.
Kevin and I.
Yeah.
The egg and I.
Oh, here comes Valkyrie. Kevin, no, come back.
No!
I got you.
Wait, did you say Kevin come back and then... Who were you talking to?
I got burnt to death.
It's okay, so did the Valkyrie.
Valkyrie's still alive though. Oh no 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 no.
I died.
Alright, I'm off to sea. Oh wait, no, I'll wait for you, Max. Kevin, wait for Max with me. Then we will charge them.
You lost zone
Alright, let's go.
Why are we such meme at this game?
Because it's how we are.
Casino.
Guys, I don't want to run through the fire because I need a lot of help.
Oh no! He got me with it!
No!
Okay.
Valkyrie!
Uh-oh.
He got me with the Oni charge. Your Oni charge man is gone.
I don't like
Oh,
this
what a dick.
This Valkyrie's a dirtbag.
The guy on our team is a humongous asshole.
That's a bot.
No, it's not. He's an actual person.
The person on our team,
Yes.
he's a bot.
No, he isn't. Press tab, you fool.
Done my glass.
Okay, where are you going?
Oh my god, you guys are so far in our spawn.
Oh, Kevin, I died. I thought I could get on with that.
Kill him, I killed him, don't worry, I killed him.
Hit me with that revive.
Yeah, I'll hit that revive.
Oh, sketchy.
Where are you going, A?
Lucas, are you good at C?
Yeah, we're good. There's two Shigokis here.
We'll go to A, Kevin. It's Viking-y boys.
Oh, we lost B. Later.
That's fine. Just coming to A. Get ready for the Valkyrie.
Are they all going to A?
Kevin, you took him out of the zone.
Fine.
You captured zone A.
Guess I'll take the. Ow. Ouch, that hurted. There's 3 of them there?
Oh, no.
Oh, never mind, there's just 2, but Kevin got destroyed. I was counting Kevin because he hit me once. Alright.
I'm back.
Lucas, how are you beating me?
What do you mean? I'm doing good.
Look at the scoreboard.
I'm too busy fighting a Shigoki.
You captured zone A.
Are we going
Guys,
in
we need to go to B.
Guys, I need help.
I can't, we're way too far away.
I'm still alive though.
Get Kevin, kill him now. Don't kill him.
Guys, no! You could have saved me if you had
No, we
gone.
couldn't. We're fighting a guy.
You lost zone C.
But there was 2 of you. One of you could have just run.
Where's the shinobi?
You lost zone A.
I lasted so long by myself though. Alright, we need to group up. We're about to be breaking.
Your team.
Uh-oh.
Break.
Uh-oh.
We already. Oh, no, no, no!
God damn it, Kevin.
Your team rally.
I got dropped.
That
on.
was really quick. Both of you are fools.
Yeah, but he jumped on me.
Where are we dropping, boys?
Your team is breaking.
Yeah, we get it. We're breaking. Yeah, no, we understand.
Ow.
Sorry.
Alright, Lucas, you're just gonna see. Be careful around here, someone's gonna like shove us off.
Max, I'll hold them off. I'll hold them all off.
Ow. Oh.
Alright, I'm capturing C.
Okay. I killed the other guy.
Oh no.
Ow. Ouch. Hold on, ready for this?
Alright, thank you. I was gonna die to that.
Alright. Go get some health at the Dominion soldiers.
They're all dead because this guy's an ass and can't share.
Help. Help. I'm getting double teamed. I died.
I died. Kevin, how are you alive?
I've just been stuck up here.
Oh my god, Kevin. Is it gonna be another one of these where it's a 1v1 for you and you lose while we're all dead?
Yes. Get double teamed. Lucas gets double teamed. Our bot gets triple teamed. Kevin's up there with a 1v1 losing. Lucas, how did you beat me?
I don't know. I think good that round.
I like playing Dominion as Highlander. It's way more fun than playing
Centurion.
Shinobi, I was gonna say.
Oh no, I was talking about I got an effect for Centurion.
Okay.
I think it's because I got one revive, honestly.
I got none.
1 second.
Just 1 second.
Alright, I'm gonna need to go for a second after this round.
Okay.
Did we all vote?
Alrighty then.
Yeah.
Map vote?
Um,
Map vote?
one and only Citadel Gate.
Okay.
No, not again.
Always.
But there's only 3 maps and this one's the best.
Yeah.
Was that guy on team above the entire time?
No.
Yes, I told you guys.
No, he
It was a bot.
wasn't! His name was Emac!
Yeah, but
He
both
left!
names.
There's no bot named Emac.
Yeah, he left afterwards.
Then it was a bot the entire round.
He wasn't a bot the entire round. The original guy left, we had a bot for half a
Yes.
second,
Another
and then
original
it was
guy left.
Emac. Who was not a bot.
Another
He was a
original guy
giant...
left.
See, I know a bot because when he revived me, he would spam E but not actually hold it. Bots just revive you. He was a dick.
This guy has the Canadian thing. Uh-oh, Conquer, guys, I'm dead.
We're all gonna die. Conquer is a
Bro.
gigantic... Just fuck
I know.
you.
But like, mega counter, like, more than Shigoki counter to Highlander.
Alright, Max, are you ready? We're gonna team up
Can
against
we
him.
just like accept that we lost already?
No, we must try.
It's so bad, he would always
We
let
should
his
try to
runs fly,
lose.
so I could parry them.
We should try to lose again.
We didn't try to lose last time. What were you doing?
I like how the big Padre has the Canadian flag.
He does? Oh, he
Yeah.
does.
Just for that, I don't mind if I die to him.
But he's a warden.
No, never mind.
Yeah. Alright, you
Go
and
to
me to
C.
C, Max. Yeet! Let me just make sure that I cement my place in front.
Okay, hold on, let's stop here. So when they come across the bridge, you can charge them off.
Yeah, I'm gonna stop here.
When you get that quad kill only charge.
Mac, don't
Alright,
peek
okay.
over.
I'm looking.
Zone C.
This guy just staring at us down there.
You lost Zone A.
Hello!
Whoa.
I missed!
Got him. Kevin, you stole that from me. You didn't do anything, but you still somehow stole it.
I don't know what I did.
You captured
Ha.
Zone C.
We win.
Go to the letter.
Nah, we gotta try this time and go down. There's a Shigoki murdering our guys.
In your face, killing your dudes.
What is this? No, guys, the warden's reviving.
You need help up there? Or down there?
I don't know if you can get the jumping attack.
Alright, I'll stop this ladder cheese.
dying.
I am the protector of C.
Protect.
He protect, he attack. He
watch
want.
out!
Alright, this is a good time for you to be here, Kevin.
Do you need my help?
Yeah, probably. There's a conqueror.
Uh-oh. I'm dead. Going up to help anyway, but I'm dead. Oh, that took a lot of my health away.
Alright, I'll swap.
You capture Zone A.
I'm dead. I got pushed into the fire. I got killed by Big Padre.
Why is my hyper armor just not back yet?
Oh, the out of stamina heavy killed me. Lucas, I'm sorry, you're gonna get triple teamed.
Yeah, I see that now. I see the error of my ways.
Turn around, they're at no health.
ISB going to C.
I can't. I couldn't do anything. They were just attacking my block repeatedly.
How many are there?
Well, there were 3, but now one of them's running towards you, and
As most
now there's
takedowns,
2.
it still last. Didn't we have a shaman in this game for a little bit?
No, we had a bot. And bots change when someone joins.
Oh.
Where are you, Max?
I'm dead. Come and get him. Nice.
Where is he?
No, it didn't kill, I jumped off the edge. I'm at the bottom.
Oh,
Kevin, if you land on a Dominion soldier, then you don't die.
that guy's gonna see it coming and he's gonna dodge it. I wouldn't go for it, Kevin.
Yeah, don't do it. I'll just revive myself. I'm going A.
I'm going to Z. I protect, I attack. I get a big snack.
You lost Zone A.
Someone's here. I can smell their presence.
Oh, it's the Conqueror.
Nope, it's the
No.
warden.
That's the Kensei. He's kind of salty because I shoved him off.
It's 2 wardens. Psych! Give me the big snack! Mmm, tasty! Oh shit, oh! How did that land? Kevin, where were you?
I touched the fire and I died.
Zone C.
Oh my god, Kevin! Why
I
didn't
was like no health and I didn't see the
Why
fire
didn't you
back there.
heal on the Dominion soldiers?
Because I was up at A.
Yeah, you could have gotten to heal though.
I was being attacked by Kensei.
Why didn't you heal before?
Because I'm just that bad.
Oh, guys, I killed him.
Who are you fighting?
The Conqueror. I had to use my revenge.
No sir.
Hey Max. How are you?
I need so much help.
Alright, I'll protect you while you heal.
Shouldn't take long. Big old sword boy.
Oh, I didn't get the revenge in time. I
Okay,
pressed
I'm
R.
full health.
No, you can't do that.
Alright, they're gonna be coming.
No, we gotta oh, there's one there. Oh, they're going
Alright.
for A. Go to A,
Gotta
go to A.
revive.
Everyone go to A.
Everyone, there's 2 of us.
Oh no, the Conqueror's gonna kill me.
Not on my watch, he won't. Oh, maybe he will.
I'm going to A.
I'm gonna go into attack mode. I'm getting double teamed. Oh,
You
what?
capture Zone A.
Conqueror's range is insane.
Oh no, there's 3 of them down there.
Guys, what is the range of Conqueror?
Unlimited stick.
Get him, Lucas.
I can't. This guy's the master of parrying.
Nice.
Got him, got him, got him.
Oh, I got executed. I'll just.
Yes!
Nice.
Okay, finally, I might actually live through this. Thought I was totally gonna die.
7 takedowns.
What?
How does Kevin have 7 takedowns?
I baited out the revenge with my zone.
I'm going for C.
All right, Kevin, just get one light attack in. No, Kevin. All right, I will have optimism and hope that you survive. Kevin, stop him! Stop him!
You captured Zone C.
All right, I'm gonna come.
That's what she said.
Oh my God, Max, now's not the time.
It's always the time.
Zone A.
Is there anyone at A?
Flash go by and like, oh yep, that's Max.
Lost Zone C.
Oh no.
Guys, I think we got him.
This warden has
I think
clearly
he
been
died.
taught in the ways of douchebaggery because he just used the Valiant Strike at close range.
Guys, I think he died.
Got him.
You stole him out of my Highlander friends.
Excuse
Oh,
me, but he was
fucker.
mine to begin with.
Zone A. Your team is
Uh-oh.
breaking.
Damn it. Alright, we need to stick together. We're probably gonna lose. We're 300 points behind. What the hell is this Shigoki doing? Guys, fall back. You're gonna lose.
I don't have that luxury now.
Max is being triple teamed. I got killed by the Shinobi. Not Shinobi.
Your team rallied.
Oh, we rallied. Nice.
Uh-oh.
That's surprising.
How did we? Okay, I want to take C.
Your team is breaking.
No, not again.
Well, we're really low, so of course we'd be breaking.
Alright, I'm taking C.
I died. Guys, I died. And I got executed.
Damn it.
If you-
Okay,
if
I'm
you
dead.
take C, then we're dead.
Yeah, no, we're definitely lost.
Wait, Kevin, if you get C, then we can come back. Yes!
Oh my God! Kevin, what a clutch!
The enemy.
Alright, I'm back. Oh, we have a chance.
Oh,
We just
no,
have
no,
to
no,
hold
no.
all the points.
Lost Zone C.
We have more base points than we do.
Everyone hold together.
I can't say fell.
Oh. I'm about
Alright,
to-
I'm gonna try a rally. Come on.
How in the hell?
You
Hey,
captured Zone
hey,
C.
hey, hey!
I could use some help.
Nice.
Yes, I got the hug. Ah, the clutch hug.
We're all still alive.
I know, right? This is amazing.
The enemy
like-
rallied.
Oh my God, we might get them to break. We actually might get them to break.
We
Guys,
just did.
everyone meet in the middle. Everyone meet in the middle.
Everybody
Everyone
run,
stand
run.
together.
Wait, don't go up the ladder. They're gonna kill us.
They're gonna all group up. Except for this warden, because he's bad.
Alright.
Nice, Kevin.
Just get the warden first. We need to get him out because he's just a nuisance.
Kevin, you're only hitting me with that. You're not doing any damage to him.
All right, I got the baby warden out.
I died. Nice.
Got him. All right, now it's just the conqueror.
Ow.
Sorry,
I need to
I'm
back out and
just
get
gonna
help.
knock him back.
Guys, I need so much help.
Don't you dare.
Can
Kevin, I can't help you. The Dominion soldiers are in the way.
I'll be
Got
honest.
him!
Guys, we're gonna win this.
Yes! Oh my god! Holy shit! That was so clutch! Oh my god!
Takedowns, how'd they get first?
Holy shit! Alright, that one's going up. Like, I don't upload most of what I record, but that one has to go up. That was amazing.
That was great.
Whew.
Ooh, that was good.